Today I'm proud to present your opportunity to own 311 West Broadway. This is a 1.5 story, 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, all brick home with a basement, tons of storage, an amazing surprise I'll show you soon, 2-car garage, beautiful curb appeal, and so much more to see. Step inside as we enter on real hardwood with a mailbox slot and a boot bench. Our living room, open and bright, fireplace, our kitchen, boasting modern touches, and gas range. Our formal dining room with those custom touches only found in the Southwest. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3, our main level bathroom. Our upstairs master bedroom is complete with tons of storage, real wood floors, and this full bathroom. Our basement is large, dry, very useful, boasting tons of storage, a workshop, our washer and dryer, plus this third full bathroom. And now it's time to step to our bonus apartment. Just look at this beautifully finished space, perfect for either studio, apartment, or income rental potential. All attached to a 2-car garage. This studio apartment has a separate address of 4 Aldea, 311 West Broadway. Is your chance to own a part of Columbia's Southwest history. Just imagine being this close to everything that is downtown Columbia.